Alright, it's such an honor to have you join me here on TikTok Ad Made Easy, a full tutorial on TikTok Ad covering both the app and the Ads Manager. I'm Coach Onyi. Having trained 110 students and handled about 100 cases in the last 2 months alone with over 90% success, it is now simply hard for me not to accept the reality of me being an authority when it comes to running ads on the TikTok platform. And the best way I have responded to this new reality is to upgrade myself so that I can be of more help to you. Now let's get straight into the discussion of this moment, which is TikTok Ad Made Easy. How to reach millions locally and internationally and sell more or expand your business or your brand. Okay, so in this training, I'll run you through the requirements and then some basic terms because we are trying to make it as easy as possible. And if you go through this course, especially at this beginning part, and understand it, I can guarantee you that your success on running TikTok ad or running ads on TikTok will be very certain. Okay, so we'll be looking at how to successfully sign up, set up, and run ad on TikTok from the Ads Manager. And this is not only for Nigerians. I put Nigeria here because I'm in Nigeria. Whatever I'm sharing here affects you wherever you are in the globe, right? So beyond that, I'll also be helping you to see how I run WhatsApp sales promotion, right? Driving traffic from Facebook and Instagram. And if you are in Nigeria, you have the opportunity to also learn how to register business name with the CAC, and you can use this as a new source of income as you begin to help other businesses or other business owners register their business names with the CAC. Okay, all right, let's get straight to the requirements of running TikTok ad on the Ads Manager. I've already covered that of the app, right? So we get straight to that of the Ads Manager. So we move to this TikTok Ads Manager requirements, right? Now the first thing you see here is TikTok business profile account. Now before you can run ads successfully on the TikTok Ads Manager, it's expected that you already have a TikTok account on the app. Now when you go to the app, you notice that there is the personal account and there's the business account. Now the account that is required to run ad on the TikTok Ads Manager platform is the business account. That's what I mean here by TikTok business profile account. That's the first requirement. Now the next thing is an active email and a WhatsApp account. You also need a phone number. In fact, the phone number that you are supplying should be the same phone number on your WhatsApp account. So that phone number must be linked to a WhatsApp account. Why? Because TikTok, when you want to verify on the Ads Manager, sometimes we call you on that phone number and sometimes they will send you the code via WhatsApp. I hope you got that. Away from this, you will need a bank credit or debit card. Okay, so we'll be talking more about this in the training, right? Then you need an ID card, right? Or a CAC document. The reason I also added a bonus on how to register a business name with the CAC. Then you need, of course, a phone, a smartphone. You also need a laptop or a tablet. And then you need your network, a data and network, that's internet network. Okay, very, very important. Then you also need, okay, I've talked about this, that's it here, so no need repeating it. Okay, then you need the right knowledge, right knowledge, okay, of how to set up, and beyond that, of the TikTok ad policy. And then this one is optional, a personal website, but it's not optional if you want to run sales conversion ads. Okay, a personal website or an app. Let's see more about this. Okay, so I told you about your TikTok profile, business profile account on the app. That's the first thing. That's what I'm showing you here yet again. Okay, then we talk about the email address you should have and then a WhatsApp that you should have. I'm just trying to buttress on what I've already said. Okay, so you have to have a functional email account preferably a Gmail account, and then a WhatsApp account. And the number you have on that WhatsApp account should also be active, because TikTok might call you on that number. Then we come to credit card. Alright, you have need of credit card. Okay, now we'll show you in the training the credit cards we've proven to work and how to get them. Then you have also the need of a phone, a smartphone, a laptop or a tablet, and then your internet network. Right, I've said these things before, I'm just trying to make you understand them even better. Then you also have to have the documents, your registered business document with the CAC. If you're in Nigeria, if you're in any other country, you find what applies to your country. Okay, a registered business CAC document is needed for verification, right? If your account is not well verified, there is probably going to be some issues. Okay, but if you don't want to go the route of having a CAC or having documents, you can use your ID card. But I will show you the limitations when you use an ID card, and I don't usually recommend that you do, right? So I'll be showing you the limitations, and at the end of the day, the option will be yours, right? Then you also, what else did we talk about? We talked about the right knowledge. Okay, is what makes the rest of the things we've talked about so far useful when they are available. Okay, lacking knowledge in this area has limited a lot of people. I just told you that I've handled over 100 cases with about 90%, okay, success in these cases. Okay, now what some people don't understand when it comes to lack is that they think lack of knowledge is the total absence of knowledge. No. You know, when a student fails an exam, when you check the score, you notice that most of the students who failed the exam got some score. So why did they fail? They fail because even though they know what is needed, they didn't know it enough. So lack does not just mean the total absence of the required knowledge. In most cases, it means the insufficiency of the required knowledge. So if I say you lack vitamin C, it doesn't mean that you don't have vitamin C in your system, but what is there is not enough to power your system. Okay, you lack money. It doesn't mean that you don't have some small change with you, but they are not enough to handle your bills, right? So apply this definition or this explanation of mine to the lack of knowledge. You see that, you might have knowledge, but if you don't have it enough, you will struggle. And that has been the experience of most people that have come my way. Okay, so I'll do my best to give you the best knowledge. That's why I had to rebrand this training from TikTok Ads Mastery to TikTok Ads Made Easy. Okay, then we come over to here where we talk about the need for a website. A personal website is highly essential, especially if you want to run some conversions like sales conversions. Okay, you need this website to also install your pixel right from TikTok to your website so that you can track the activities going on when you run ad. So these are the basic requirements. Okay, but this last one here is not compulsory. You mustn't run a sales campaign, right? And when it comes to a laptop, you can as well use a tablet in place of a laptop. A phone would have been enough, but there are certain tasks you can perform using a phone. Okay, so you need basically these things to get started. That will be all on the requirements.